Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold Commerce here. In this video, I'm going to give a brief description on how local delivery and pickup works with Bold subscriptions, how to enable these shipping options, and show a storefront example of these delivery options. When customers are located close to your business, you can offer local delivery or pickup methods for them to receive their subscription products. This can speed up your fulfillment time and create a better experience for your customers. You can configure local delivery or pickup in store delivery options in your Shopify admin. Your customers can choose these methods when placing both one-time orders and subscription orders on your store. If a local delivery or pickup option is selected by a customer for a subscription order, all future orders that are generated for that subscription use the same shipping rate. With that being said, let's go through the setup involved for enabling local delivery and pickup within your Shopify admin. From within your Shopify admin, click on Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Local delivery and local pickup can be enabled by clicking a location under Local Delivery or Local Pickup. Based on the location that was selected, enable the checkbox next to either This location offers local delivery or This location offers local pickup. Look over the settings that appear and make any changes that are needed for this location, then click Save at the top of the page. Once the local delivery or pickup method has been activated, new customers that are eligible for these delivery options are able to see these rates in the checkout page when placing one-time orders or subscription orders. Using My Store, I'm going to add a product as a subscription into the checkout page, fill out my contact information using an address near my store's shipping location, and demonstrate how these delivery options appear in the checkout. After filling out my contact details and proceeding to the shipping page, the local delivery and the local pickup options are appearing in the checkout page. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please check out our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.